as you journey through Alabama's grace. A land of rich history and captivating space. From the Gulf Coast's sandy shores so fine, to the rolling hills where beauty intertwines. Open your heart and let the wonder commence. And let our words take you on a journey so intense. Here in Alabama, a story unfolds. Of legends and tales from days of old. The music echoes through the humid air, as sweet melodies drift with southern flair. Our words can guide you to Alabama's beat, and show you sights some can't retreat. Explore the trails of towering pine, where nature's wonders forever align. Admire the rivers that gracefully flow, reflecting a world few will ever know. Visit towns steeped in southern charm, where hospitality is always warm. Taste the flavors of barbecue and pecan pie, savoring each bite as time slips by. In Montgomery, see the Capitol Dome, a symbol of freedom and a place to call home. Travel to Birmingham, a city alive, where art and culture continue to thrive. Discover the magic of the Civil Rights Trail, and honor those who fought without fail. So travel through Alabama, with eyes wide open. Let its beauty and spirit leave you unbroken. And if you want to join us in this great escape, just follow, like and subscribe and don't be late.